We're going to make a Russian salad, so-called Olivier.
I'm Kay, actually Kay. Yes, I'm from Texas.
So I'm interested in learning how to cook well, and
I'm really happy to make this Russian salad.
My name's Astrid. I live in Brooklyn, where
That's the story.
my favorite Russian cookbook.
Wow.
Thank you.
Yeah, New York potatoes, Italian potatoes. Daria, give us some Italian potatoes. You know why?
I know why. I mean,
I was like, guys, you saved me. Very interesting time of my life. Just a cucumber, no salt, no spices, nothing. Now I've got a paranoia that I didn't wash my cucumber. So you just make it first in rounds. And yeah, that's very pretty.
I need to practice.
Okay.
Oh, that
your
looks
carrot
good.
is... Yes, that's exactly my can.
great.
thank you.
You said, yes, of course it was with me, sure. I hate it with apple. I tell you, and now we are adding apple inside. That's what makes it super delicious. Don't worry, please.